Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to Celebration Assembly. And this is going to be a real treat because today I can hear, and we can all hear, all the fantastic things you're doing, even if we can't see them all at the moment. So I'm really looking forward to it. So let's begin. Let's find out from the teachers what great things you've been doing.
Hi Antelope class, welcome back after half term. It's been a busy week for us. This week I'd like to give the certificates to Annabelle and Joseph. The reason for both of those certificates is that they are both fantastic role models. They're always working to the best of their ability, creating fantastic work and just being lovely members of our class. So well done to you both and keep it up.
Hi Year 6, this week my certificates go to Eleanor, Borman and Anjali because when they were designing their World War II medals they paid a lot of attention to detail and really thought about what they were including and why.
This week in reception, the certificates go to Sam for trying really hard with a fireworks picture he was drawing and the end results looked fantastic. And the second certificate goes to Joy for being a really kind friend and also for trying really hard with her reading. Well done both of you.
Good morning Hedgehog class and well done for a fantastic first week back. I've got two certificates I'd like to give this week and the first one is for Sammy. Sammy has worked really hard with his maths this week and I was so impressed with your fantastic subtraction that you were able to do using a tens frame. The second certificate I'd like to give is to Henry. Henry, you always work really hard with all the activities that you do. You try your best and make sure that you are applying your best efforts. So well done you and well done everybody in Hedgehog for a first week back.
Hi Tigers, me again. I'm on to attempt number 5 this week. It's not going well, but I'll do my very best. Certificates this week. First one is for Seb, who has been struggling with his sewing and really finding threading the needle a bit of a challenge. And he's done a good job of persuading other people to do it for him, but I'm really pleased to say this week he has finally managed to do it himself and didn't give up. I'm so proud of you for not giving up, Seb, because it would have been really easy. So well done to you. And the other certificate this week is for Emily B, because she has been so good at her sewing. She has knuckled down, got on with it, and then once she's understood what's going on, she's been really, really helpful to everybody else. So she's been super kind, super patient. She's a far better sewer than I am. So thank you very much to Emily. Really good job, everyone. Have a lovely weekend. Hope it's going to be a nice one. Hope everyone gets to see some fireworks, even if it's just out of the window. Take care.
Hi McCall class, thank you so much for a fantastic week. I've loved having you back after half term and I've been particularly proud of you after such a brilliant job at the Open the Book Assembly, so well done. My first certificate this week is going to Stanley. Stanley, I've been really impressed with your positive attitude towards your learning this week and particularly with the Open the Book Assembly where you brought loads of props to help out your classmates. Well done, Stanley. And my second certificate is going to Liliana. Liliana, you have worked so hard this week, particularly in maths with your exchanging and subtraction. Well done. Have a brilliant weekend, McCall. Bye.
Good morning to all and a special good morning to our class. This week the certificates are going to Jake and Phoebe. You both wrote fantastic poems about Bonfire Night and Jake used great finger spaces. So well done. I'm really proud of both of you.
Hello everybody, I hope you had a super half term. This week I would like to give Hack Young a certificate because he has been doing super work with his numbers and using the number line to help him take away 2-digit numbers from each other. So well done to you, Hack Young. And the second person that I'd like to give a certificate to is Jude. Jude, you have really been working hard with your handwriting and I was really impressed with the cursive writing that you did for our piece on the princess from the White Bear King. So well done to you, Jude. Have a lovely weekend, everybody.
Hello Year 6, well done for the first week. The certificates go to Jessica and Daniel Choi because they're always such conscientious and enthusiastic learners.
Hello Lions and hello everyone else. I've got two certificates today and my first one is for Eleanor. Eleanor, you work really hard in all lessons. You're so helpful. You're such a positive member of the class. So thank you for being amazing, and my first certificate's for you. My second certificate is for Sam. Sam, I think you've been working so hard, particularly on your writing. The quantity of your writing, that means how much you've written, and also the quality, your lovely handwriting and what you're including in your sentences. So thank you for working so hard on your writing. Keep it up. Have a lovely weekend.
Hi Gazelle class, welcome back after half term. This week's certificates are going to go to Jushin for his consistently positive attitude and hard work in every single lesson. Well done, Jushin. And my second certificate goes to Zaki, who has written the longest story I have ever read in my life. Fantastic, Zaki, well done.
Hello Turtle class. This week, the first certificate goes to Millie for trying really hard to write your name. Well done, Millie. And the second one is to Lourdes for really trying to learn her sounds. Well done.
Good morning everybody, and hello Eagle class. This week's certificates go to Zoe for doing great ideas in English. Her thoughts about character description were fantastic. She came up with really good phrases, and I can't wait to see them in her work later on in the week. And the other certificate goes to Minhan. Minhan has been really helpful this week to Mrs. Bond, as it was our first week in our class. So thank you two. Keep up the great work. Bye.
Hello Squirrel class, another busy week. Hasn't it gone cold? But the sun's been shining, so that's good. Anyway, our first certificate goes to Daeyoung. You always work really hard, and I really liked your poem this week, so well done. And my second certificate goes to Albie. Albie, you're another person who works really hard and always does their best. You're a kind friend, and I really like the work that you've done in maths this week, comparing number bonds, so well done. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Hi guys, I hope we're all well and that we had a good half term. Now, the winners from this week are both from Owl class. They are Izzy and Dylan for showing really good ball skills in our lesson on Monday. So well done, both of you.
So let's see how our attendance looked last week, and I've seen some very impressive results. So have a look with me. In third place, both Seahorse and Lion had the same, over 99%. Then second place, Owl and Macaw just ahead by 0.1, 99.2. And then first place, Turtle, look at that impressive 100%. That's fantastic. So how does it add up so far? And remember, we're looking to see who will get to the tea party. So far in third place, Seahorse, 98.2. Second place, Tiger, 98.7. And first, gosh, Turtle again, 99.6. Well done, Turtle. Very impressive work. And well done, everybody, because I think you're doing so well coming in every day. And now birthdays. And this time we're going to celebrate the birthdays that happened in half term, as well as the birthdays this week, because we don't want anybody to miss out. And we've also got another special plan. I know some of you are really missing being able to celebrate your birthdays with parties and meeting your friends. So we thought, well, let's do it in school. So sometime this month, we will be celebrating all the September, October and November birthdays. And then in December, we'll have special events in each class to celebrate the December birthdays. Now, your teachers will be able to tell you more, and I'm sure you'll be able to help them plan what you're going to do. But just remember, you don't need to miss out. Right, let's see who's got a birthday. Edward is 4, Shiog, Holly and Harini are 6, Evie, Emily, Millie, Tia and Ella are 7, Celie, Sam, Taeyang and Chloe are 8, Dylan, Surim, Sebastian and Oscar are 10, and Sophia, Isaac and Eleanor are 11. Happy birthday, everybody.
Happy birthday, everybody.
Now, I'd like to finish by asking you if you can help me with something very special and important. I had an email last night which said, please, please, can Christchurch help? It was from somewhere called LRA Hall, and it's a place where usually people who are 70, people who are 80, even people who are 90 go each day, and they meet friends and they see people and they eat their lunches. But sadly at the moment, of course, they can't go there because they need to stay safe. And apparently some people are staying at home and they're not seeing anybody all day, every day, sometimes even for a week. And they've said, please, could you help us? Could your children make Christmas cards? Because we'd love to send them, each of them, a really nice Christmas card so that they know they're not forgotten. And I know you're really good at looking after each other. We were thinking about that this week with Open the Book, how we look after our friends. And so I'd love you to help them as well. So I've been a bit cheeky because I've said yes already, because I know you're going to do it. So if you'd like to be involved, please could you let your teachers know, and then we can sort it out so you can make really beautiful Christmas cards. Thank you ever so much, and I hope you have a really lovely weekend when it comes. Bye for now.